Hello everyone, today we'd like to talk about woodblock print. Woodblock prints are hand-printed using carved wooden blocks. While there are various printing techniques like engravings, lithographs, and screen printings, woodblock prints have their own unique charm. You might have seen these impressions: the Great Wave of Kanagawa, the Red Mount Fuji, Tokaido 53 stations, and 100 views of Edo. These are all woodblock prints. Japanese woodblock prints, particularly ukiyo-e prints, are delicate and beautiful, and the dynamic compositions influenced the Western art of the early Impressionists. The woodblock is mountain cherry, and paper is wash paper. Wash paper is very strong and it is good for preservation. You can keep it for 100 years if a condition is good. There are two kinds of woodblock prints, the traditional one and modern one. The traditional one is made in a traditional method. It is made by a painter and a woodblock carver and printer, and the modern one is made by an artist through all processes. Let's talk about the traditional print first. As I explained, there are three parts to make an impression, such as a painter, woodblock carver, and a printer. Additionally, a publisher is also an important position of making a print. Number 1. Paint a picture. A painter draws a picture. A publisher would commission the artist to draw a design. The artist will provide the publisher with a preparatory sketch called shitae. Number 2. Carving blocks. A woodblock carver cuts blocks. The shitae will be face down on the block. Firstly, key block will be made. It is the outline of the impression. And then blocks will be cut per a section. That means each section needs a block individually. To make one impression, more than 10 and less than 20 blocks will be carved. Number 3. Printing. Ink and glue will be applied on the blocks, and a wash paper will be laid down on it. A craftsman rubs the paper from the back using button to print the color. To print detail properly, it is very difficult to let the colors apply beautifully than watching. It should be not too much, not too less. An impression is printed 100 papers at one time. The modern one is called Sosaku Hanga, creative print. Artist does all processes. There are signature and numbers, and they are all original prints. Making a woodblock print was started in China for spreading Buddhism. It was just printing letters using one color for the Buddhist scripture. Ukiyo-e means floating world, which represents a fantasy world. These are all actresses. People enjoy the print as a way to fantasize about the glamorous life. The Tokaido 53 Stations by Hiroshige was a travel book. This is the Tokaido 53 stations. Number 3, Kawasaki. Number 6, Totsuka. Something like this. People often ask, like, is this original print, or is there a number, or is there signature? But if it is ukiyo-e, there is no signature or numbers, because the prints were for publishing, not for art object. Our ukiyo-e reproductions, if it is original print, the price is much higher, and it's usually at museum or antique dealers or in auctions. In the past, there were no machines like now. The technique of woodblock printing developed with people's lives. I hope you learned something new about woodblock print. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.